This is the installation video for the White Rogers AllSpark 50D 50U 843 integrated thermostat feature for use in infrared heaters and space heaters. The 50D 50U 843 AllSpark intermittent pilot and direct spark ignition module now supports having a White Rogers F67 8535 integrated thermostat sensor connected to it. Utilizing built-in technology, the integrated thermostat sensor allows for independent operation and eliminates the need for a separate thermostat. With the integrated thermostat sensor installed, AllSpark can act as a thermostat and independently turn the module on and off. This is ideal for residential, commercial, and industrial applications that use infrared and tube heaters designed to maintain a consistent temperature when powered on. In this video, we'll first install Emerson's White Rogers AllSpark 50D 50U 843 24-volt spark ignition module. Then, connect and set up a White Rogers F67 8535 integrated thermostat sensor. The integrated thermostat sensor is sold separately and may be purchased wherever White Rogers products are found. The AllSpark box includes instructions for easy installation, 11-pin harness assembly, a 50D 50U 843 ignition module with a vent damper jumper plug and local flame sense jumper wire pre-installed, installation accessories, and a fault code label. The integrated thermostat sensor box includes instructions for easy installation, an F67 8535 integrated thermostat sensor, and installation accessories. First, ensure power and gas are disconnected prior to servicing the unit. Check the part number on the existing control and verify it is one of the 800-plus modules that can be replaced with the 50D 50U 843. Use the cross-reference on the side of the carton or the White Rogers mobile app. Take a picture of the existing module for reference before removing any wires. Identify the existing wiring and take note of the terminal identifiers on the existing module. Remove the spark wire. Locate the 11-pin harness assembly. Individually disconnect and transfer each wire from the existing control and connect it to the appropriate Quick Connect terminal on the 50D 50U 843 11-pin harness. Connect the white V2 GND wire to BRN GND. Locate the MV PV COM on the 11-pin harness and cut the 1/4-inch male spade off. Strip back the wire and install a 3/16-inch male spade quick connector that is included in the installation accessories bag. Remove the blue V2 GND wire and connect to MV PV COM. Locate the MV on the 11-pin harness and cut the 1/4-inch male spade off. Strip back the wire and install a 3/16-inch male spade quick connector that is included in the installation accessories bag. Remove the blue V1 wire and connect to MV. And finally, remove the TH and connect to 24V. Once all wires have been transferred, remove the existing module. Take note if there is a ground wire attached to one of the mounting screws. The module can be configured by two different methods. Onboard configuration can be done after the module has been installed and powered up. Mobile app configuration is the preferred method and can be done prior to installing the module. For this application, the mobile app method will be used. To get the free White Rogers Connect app, go to your mobile device's app store, search for White Rogers Connect, and download. Once downloaded, open the app. The home page has a Connect to Control and Watch Tutorial Video button. Select the Connect to Control button. The screen will show Ready to Scan. Place the mobile device in contact with the NFC logo on the module. A check mark will appear showing the connection was successful. The app will then display the 50D 50U 843 settings configuration screen. Choose Direct Spark under the System Ignition type. Match the timings with the existing control. For this application, adjust the Trial for Ignition period to 10 seconds, the pre-purge duration to 0 seconds, and the inter-purge duration to 15 seconds. Then switch the Integrated Thermostat option to Enabled. Table 1 on page 3 of the installation instructions shows configuration options. It is divided into 3 sections. The bottom section shows configuration options for Integrated Thermostat application. Additional adjustments that can be made are set point temperature. Choose between Fahrenheit or Celsius, temperature offset, and thermostat cycle range. No additional adjustments are needed at this time. Once changes have been completed in the app, press Update Control and hold the mobile device over the module again. Make sure you hold the mobile device steady until the screen shows the update is successful. Mount the AllSpark module on the unit where the existing control was located. For this application, the existing bolts are too short. Remove the bolts. Using the holes and supplied screws, install the AllSpark module, making sure the ground wire is reinstalled. For integrated thermostat applications, a limit circuit is required to be completed. Connect the W-out spade to the first component in the unit's safety circuit, and, after the last safety switch, connect the wire to the THW 11-pin harness wire. For this application, no safety switches exist, so the W-out spade can be connected directly to the 11-pin THW wire. Cut the 1/4-inch male spade off the 11-pin harness wire labeled THW. Strip back the wire and install a 1/4-inch female spade quick connector that is included in the installation accessories bag. Plug the THW wire into the W-out spade. Plug the 11-pin harness into the AllSpark module. Reconnect the spark igniter wire. Dress loose wires. Locate the White Rogers F67 8535 Integrated Thermostat Sensor. Plug the sensor into the Air T port. Secure the sensor thermistor out of the direct heat path of the unit. Dress loose wires. The system is now ready to be powered on. Reconnect the electric power and gas to the unit. During power-up, the 3 7-segment LEDs will each display an 8. Once ready, the control will enter the integrated thermostat standby mode, and the LEDs will display the current room temperature. To see the current set point, press the Option button for less than 3 seconds. Increase the set point by pressing the Select button less than 3 seconds, or decrease the set point by pressing the Option button for less than 3 seconds. The set point will now flash, indicating a change is being made. To save the new set point, press and hold the Select button for 3 seconds until the LEDs stop flashing. For onboard configuration, press and hold the Option button for greater than 3 seconds to enter the configuration mode. See the installation instructions for settings. To verify heater operation, raise the temperature set point above the temperature shown on the module. By using the AllSpark 50D 50U843 with an F67 8535 temperature sensor attached, the thermostat feature will cycle the unit and maintain the set temperature. The F67 8535 integrated thermostat sensor is available wherever White Rogers products are sold. Add this to a 50D 50U843 AllSpark intermittent pilot direct spark ignition module for a completely self-contained functioning system. Service of HVAC equipment should only be performed by a licensed and properly trained technician. Failing to follow all applicable standards of operation and maintenance, including applicable codes and manuals, can result in potential hazards, including, but not limited to, electrocution and fire. Thanks for watching the installation video for the White Rogers AllSpark 50D 50U843 integrated thermostat feature using the White Rogers F67 8535 integrated thermostat sensor.